Welcome to Air Bimini's new Air Latch system. The Bimini tie-down system allows you to unlatch your Bimini from the outside. To put it on, we just hook it on the top, give it a little tug down. To release it, just grab the handle, lift up, and release, and we put this in our glove box. Once I have my straps released, I can simply, using the AirBim, I can simply lift the Bimini up. I'm going to put my straps in the glove box. When you're done loading, simply lower it, lower your Bimini. We're going to make sure that the Bimini rails are fully on the bumpers. We want to make sure your Bimini is on the rubber rail right here before we put the straps on. And once you're on the rubber rail, you can put your strap on. We have a strap for each side. Put it on top buckle, come down and latch it in, and we're good to go.